Hi everyone, my name is Karina and I'm SwatchQueen. So today I'm just gonna quickly film my Boxycharm. This is my Boxycharm October. Is it October? Yes. October 2019, and this is my unboxing video. Fortunately, I didn't receive my box soon this month. So I received my box October 11. Today I'm gonna show you guys what I received. This is my Boxycharm. I already took a peek, I'm sorry. So this is the Boxycharm box 19. There is 19 heart right there. And I'm gonna tell you guys the weight shortly. Number one from my box is, I'm so excited about this one. This is the iconic London Prep Set Glow. I almost bought this when I went to Dallas at Morphe store. They have two Morphes there. Morphe stores in Dallas, 2 or 3, but they don't have it here in Austin. This is the water mist. This is the original. Can we try? It's like, I'm so excited about this one. It smells like shampoo. It smells so good. It smells really good. I love this. I almost bought it and I'm so happy it's in my box. I thought I was gonna get the primer. They have one primer, the pink one, glossier or something. I don't know which one is it, but it's a primer and I didn't want that because I do have a lot of primers. I actually don't use primers so much. I use moisturizers more than primers. I wanted this so bad. I love sparks. If you guys know me, you guys know that I like glitters on my foundation, on my face, all over. I put glitters, highlight everywhere all over my face and mattify the parts that I don't want to spark or highlight. I also like having a highlight under foundation or under the powder that's just peeking through, like it's a glow under your skin. I like that. So this is a really good one for me. I love it. Okay, next, I know that you guys want to know the eyeshadow palette, and I'm so happy too I got this one. This is the Sassy Sienna. This is company Dose of Colors, and if you guys don't know, Dose of Colors really make good eyeshadows. They also made Katie and Desi's collection. Dose of Colors made a lot of iconic eyeshadows, like I love Sarahi's eyeshadow palette. They also made Mickey Mouse mini eyeshadow palette and collection. This one is the 5 pan palette. What I really like about this is this detail brush. I know that's weird. No, this is the plus, and I love the colors. I love the packaging. And this one you can just carry everywhere. So I love the colors right here. It's very fall orange. Let's swatch it. So I don't know if I should swatch it or use it or just give it to you guys. I do have extra palettes that I have double. So if you guys want to join a giveaway, I'm going to give away an eyeshadow that I don't use or I didn't use because I doubled it. So you guys, if you want to join that giveaway, I don't know which palette yet, maybe another Violet Voss or another Huda Beauty, that 9 pan palette, Obsession. I still have those. If you want to join, just comment down below, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and in the comment box, put your Instagram handle or your email if you're comfortable, how I contact you, because they don't have the messaging on YouTube anymore. There you go. All the shades are mattes, not cheap palettes. It can be a blush on. Yeah, these 2 colors right here, and even this one could be a blush on. Next is the Hank and Henry Slick With It Mascara Duo. I'm excited for this one as well. So last month I got the Slick With It eyeliner. This is the eyeliner from Hank and Henry. It's the same packaging. It's a really gorgeous packaging. This one is blickety black. The problem with this is it's not very black for me. I want my eyeshadows like really black and matte black. I didn't like this one. This is the only one that I didn't like from my previous box. This month's box, I got a mascara, and it's a duo mascara. I haven't opened it yet. Oh, okay. So it's a small mascara wand, And this one is a big one. Ooh, alright. It is black. It's clout. The color is clout. The small one is for lower lash. I love that. You guys know, I've mentioned it before here on my channel. I love small, tiny brushes on mascara just to put it under. I love the idea of this. I'm gonna try this and let you guys know what I feel. So right now, this is a go for me. I love this kind of mascaras that has that tiny, tiny brush. I don't even care about the big brush, but it looks good. The brush looks really good, and it's not too big that I can't fit in my small eyes, you know, that's small space there. Next is from Mellow Company. This is a tinted brow gel. So this is from the company Mellow. It's brown. I think this one is medium brown, dark brown. This is a brow gel mascara. I have a lot of brow gel mascara. My favorite one is from the Brow Gal. This one is my favorite. It's called the Brow Gal by Tonya Crooks. I got this from a subscription box as well. I just don't know which one. Maybe Allure. This one has a really tiny brush that grabs your eyebrow hair. It combs your eyebrows really well in place. That's how I like this one. It's the Brow Gal. But this Mellow Tinted Brow Gel looks really good too. Looks like I've seen it before. It's nothing special about it. It's the same as Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Gel. Yeah, so it's just a bigger brush than other brow mascara. Alright, so I'm gonna use this. I got it from the subscription box, so I'm gonna use it. But would I buy it? No, because I have a lot of tinted brow gel already. The last one that I got is, I haven't seen this with the other boxes on YouTube, or not even like the press of Boxycharm, but I got two of these 24K gold sheet masks from Go-To Beauty. It's a single mask for every pouch. I got two pouches, so I got two masks. It says that it benefits of gold, anti-wrinkle, skin firming, lifting, hydrating, and it has pretty good the ingredients. I just want to know if this is like gold inside. Let's see. No, it's not. So why is it 24K gold if it's not gold? It's just white mask. That is very confusing, or maybe there is like 24 karat gold inside. No, because it's not in the ingredients too. It's not in the ingredients too, so they just called it 24K gold sheet mask for nothing. That's gimmicky. I think this one is a no-no for me. I don't even enjoy masks like this. I don't trust a lot of masks that I don't know the company from. I only trust like really good companies. Charlotte Tilbury, she has a really good mask. Oh my gosh, you guys should try that. Charlotte Tilbury and also Tatcha. That's the only two masks that I trust. I don't know if I'm gonna use this. It's already shady that the mask is not gold and there's no gold in it, and they call it 24K gold mask. Maybe my husband wants to use it. We'll see. That's for my box. How much is the worth for my box? Let's see. The eyeshadow palette is $32. The Iconic London is $29 and $19 for the mascara. The brow gel is $16 and the Go-To Beauty sheet mask set of two is $19.98, so it's $20. It's $10 each mask. Really? So my whole box is $115.98 or $116 worth. Did you guys know that Boxycharm is going to be $25 next month, starting next month, November? The weight of the box is 0.9 pounds, 0.9 pounds, which is 0.41 kilograms. So let me know, guys, in the description box what you got. That's a neighbor. I hope he's not fixing his motorcycle. And he's just leaving. Let me know in the description box what you guys got this month from your Boxycharm. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. And hit that notification bell for more upcoming videos. Thank you so much, guys. Again, my name is Karina and I'm SwatchQueen. See you on my next video. Bye!
close till I get up. Time is